Truck Service is an independent aftermarket commercial repair company. So what that does is that establishes us as separate from the dealer network, so therefore we're able to work on all brands. Our roots are in springs and suspension, but over the years as we've adapted and changed, we've gone into full service where we do all the systems on the vehicle. I think what customers should know about us is that we have a lot of history, a lot of stability, and we operate with a lot of integrity. I think those three things are the important things for our company. Those are the things we focus on. I think customers want stability. They want to know that you're going to be there. They like history. They know that you've been there. And they certainly want integrity, to know that they'll be treated with respect and that their problems will be solved. If anything happens, they'll be taken care of. Nobody bats 1,000. From time to time, things go wrong, and it's what you do when that happens that matters, and how you treat them. At Truck Service, we try to create a culture where we work with the customer, where you really get to know each other, you know their fleet because we service them regularly, and we create a relationship where they feel comfortable with us. Occasionally, a new customer may be surprised when they bring their vehicle in that there's no upsell pressure, and we've had comments to that effect. I think over the years, Truck Service has been able to grow by being adaptable. With such a long history going back into the early 30s, you can imagine the change in vehicles over that period of time. And in order to survive, you have to adapt, and in order to thrive, you've got to be good at adapting. And we've been able to do that over the years. And one of the mottos we live by is, we don't fix what isn't broken. In other words, we're not going to look for opportunities to do something that is going to enhance our profitability or our numbers at the cost of the customer's vehicle. And we also say, what would we do if this was our vehicle? What would we do if this was our vehicle? And when we approach the customer's vehicle that way, I think we always come out with the right solution.